Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Faiza Omar with you with the new lesson of Tajweed. Inshallah, in this lesson, I will tell you how to make ghunna over tanween and the noon with jazm and then the noon with shad. The rules of ghunna, we will learn the rule of ghunna in this lesson, where you have to do ghunna and where you will not do ghunna. Okay, so let's start our lesson. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. Okay, so first of all, we should remember that whenever you see the noon with shad, you have to do ghunna. This is the first rule. Noon with shad, always we have to do ghunna. And how will do ghunna? Aydiyahunna. See? Aydiyahunna. Hamza ya zabar ay, dal di. Aydi ya zabar ya. Aydiya ha noon pesh hun. Aydiyahun noon zabana aydiyahunna. This is ghunna. Noon with shad, you have to do ghunna always. Lam zabala noon zabana lana kaf waw pesh ku lana ku noon zabanan lana ku nan noon zabana lana ku nanna lanakunanna lanakunanna lam zabala noon zabana lana kaf waw pesh ku lanaku noon zabanan lanakunan noon zabana lanakunanna. Okay, then Ain noon zabaran. See, this is again a rule. Whenever you see two letters have joining signs, the first one has jazm on top and the second one has shad on top, just recite the shad letter. It is not like that if there is a noon and you have to join and make ghunna. Whenever you see an other letter as well, if you see another letter as well, you have to skip the first letter with jazm and you will just recite the letter that has shad. So ain noon zaba an noon fa zaba naf an naf sin do zer sin an nafsin. This one. Ain noon zaba an noon fa zaba naf an naf sin do zer sin an nafsin. Then kho ya zaba khoy ra noon pesh run khayrun kho ya zaba khoy ra noon do pesh run khayrun noon pesh nu khayrun nu za pesh zu khayrun nuzu lam do zabalan khayrun nuzulan. Right? Then Hamza noon zabar an. You see, we skip the first letter that has jazm on top and we are reciting the second letter that has shad on top. Always will apply this rule on every letter. Hamza noon zabar an noon ta zabar nato an nato. See, we did kalkla over ta. An nato means me an nato me sin zabar sa anatomisa, right? Anatomisa, this is. So this is the ghunna with shad. Remember this one. Any letter after it, before it, no problem at all. Whenever you see the noon with shad, you have to do ghunna. Aydiyahunna lanakunanna an nafsin khayrun nuzulan, an-natomisa. Right? The second point is that whenever you see the noon with jazm on top and then tanween, you have to do gunna. This is the second rule. Now, there are some exceptional cases. When you see a letter, these 8 letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra. If you see after tanween and after the noon with jazm, the next word started from these 8 letters, any one of these 8 letters will not do gunna. No gunna at all. So we'll practice over these words, then you can understand by the examples how to recite them. But remember, when you see a noon with jazm and tanween, you have to gunna. You have to do gunna. And when there are some letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra will not do gunna. You have to memorize all these 8 letters. Okay. So this is how we have to do gunna over noon with shad, noon with jazm and tanween, and where will not do gunna. The one more thing, when you see the meme with shad, the next point is that when you see meme with shad, you also need to do gunna. We'll do with the example so you can understand. See, we have to do gunna when you see shad on meme as well. So, noon with shad, meme with shad, we have to do gunna. Noon with jazm and tanween, there is gunna, except those 8 letters. Okay, so we'll now do the practice with the Quranic words. Okay, so this is faman tabi'a. You can see the noon with jazm, we are doing gunna because next one is a ta letter. This is ta letter. It is not from those 8 letters. Fa zabar fa, meen noon zabar man, fa man, ta zabar ta, fa man ta, ba zir bi, fa man tabi, ain zabar a, fa man tabi'a, faman tabi'a. See, the ta is not from those 8 letters. The Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra. Okay. Now next one is antum. Antum. Again, ta is not from those 8 letters. Hamza, Noon, Zabar, an, ta, mim, pesh, tum, antum. Then sheen, ze, she, ha, alif, zabar, ha, she, ha, ba, do, pesh, bun, shihabun, tha, alif, zabar, tha, shihabun, tha, qaf, zir, qi, shihabun, thaqi, ba, do, pesh, bun, shihabun, thaqibun. See, we are doing gunna over tanween, do, pesh, because next one is sa letter and this is not from those 8 letters. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra. Okay. Now, min jannatin, mim noon zer min, jim noon zabar jan, min jan, noon zabar na, min janna, ta do zetin, min jannatin. See, this is noon with jazm. We are doing gunna over here because next one is jim, and we are doing gunna over noon with shad because it's necessary. Then those 8 tanween we are doing gunna. So over here, why we are doing? Because jim is not from those 8 letters. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra. Okay. This is today's lesson, and I hope so that you understand where you have to do gunna. When there is noon with jazm, when there is tanween, you have to do gunna. But when you see those 8 letters in the next word started from those 8 letters, so stop doing gunna. Okay. So subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.